How to get TikTok repost button back problem. If you've been scrolling through TikTok and suddenly notice the repost button has completely vanished from your app, you're not going crazy. This is a real problem that has affected a lot of users, and this video walks you through every fix to get it back fast. Welcome back. Today we're covering exactly how to get the TikTok repost button back in 2026, why it disappears, and every legitimate solution to restore it on both Android and iPhone. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. First, understand why the repost button disappears. TikTok occasionally rolls out feature updates and interface changes that can temporarily hide or remove the repost button for certain users or regions. It can also disappear due to app cache issues, outdated app versions, or account-specific glitches. Knowing the cause helps you apply the right fix. Step 2. The very first thing to do is update your TikTok app. Open your App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search for TikTok, and tap Update if one is available. TikTok pushes the repost feature through app updates, and running an outdated version is the most common reason the button goes missing. Step 3. After updating, force close the TikTok app completely. On iPhone, swipe up and close TikTok. On Android, tap the Recent Apps button and swipe TikTok away. Then reopen the app and check if the repost button has returned on any video. Step 4. If the button is still missing, clear your TikTok app cache. Open TikTok, tap the profile icon in the bottom right, tap the three-line menu at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap Free Up Space or Clear Cache. And confirm the cache clear. Then restart the app and check again. Step 5. Log out of your TikTok account and log back in. Go to Profile, tap the three-line menu, scroll to the bottom and tap Log Out. Then sign back in with your credentials. This refreshes your account data and often restores missing features, including the repost button. Step 6. Uninstall TikTok completely from your device and reinstall it fresh from the App Store or Google Play Store. A clean reinstall eliminates any corrupted app data that might be preventing the repost button from appearing. Log back in after reinstalling and test the button on a few different videos. Step 7. If none of these steps work, the repost feature may have been temporarily disabled in your region or for your account type by TikTok. In this case, check TikTok's official social media pages or community forums to see if other users in your area are reporting the same issue. And wait for TikTok to push a fix through their next app update. Pro tip: the TikTok repost button does not appear on every single video. It is only available on videos from accounts you follow and does not show up on your own videos or on videos from accounts you don't follow. So if you're testing after applying these fixes, make sure you're checking the repost button on a video from someone you already follow. Otherwise, you might think the fix didn't work when it actually did. And that's your complete guide to getting the TikTok repost button back in 2026. From updating the app to clearing cache to a full reinstall, you now have every solution covered. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more TikTok tips and fixes, and comment below, did the repost button come back for you and which step fixed it? I want to know. See you in the next one.